Hello, my friends. Guess what? It's leap year this year, which isn't that exciting? So Ken and I thought, what better way to celebrate leap year than have a store day in our store at Laguna Hills, California. Now, the fun part about that is Ken's going to clear out the warehouse so I can actually do a demonstration as well. So come bring your questions, come bring your comments, come bring your wallet so you can shop. And we're going to have a great time. Of course, we'll have some extra good specials. Club members will get their club discounts, and it's going to be a blast. So come see us February 29th. Store times, Kenny? 9 to 2. I will be demoing in the morning, okay? So come by and see us, and I will see you then. Bye-bye.